Have you ever wondered about that little blue powerhouse of flavor in your breakfast bowl? Blueberries might seem small, but they pack a punch, not just in taste but in nutrition and history too. For many of us, they're a staple at breakfast, tossed into cereal, yogurt, or pancakes, and loved by kids and adults alike. But behind every handful of blueberries is a story that stretches across continents and centuries. The blueberry is more than just a tasty treat, it's a superstar of the fruit world. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, it's celebrated for its health benefits as much as its sweet, tangy flavor. Blueberries have even been called a superfood, and for good reason. They're linked to heart health, brain function, and more. Here in North America, we're obsessed with blueberries. From summer festivals dedicated to the fruit, to family traditions of picking them fresh from the bush, blueberries are woven into our culture and cuisine. In fact, North America is the world's largest producer and consumer of blueberries. Every year, farms grow nearly 1 billion pounds of them. That's a staggering amount. Imagine fields stretching as far as the eye can see, all bursting with clusters of blue. These berries are harvested from coast to coast, from the wild barrens of Maine to the lush valleys of British Columbia. That's enough to fill a fleet of jumbo jets, if those jets were packed with nothing but blueberries. To put it another way, if you lined up all those berries, they'd circle the globe several times. It's a scale that's hard to imagine, but it's the reality of modern agriculture. But how do all those berries make it from the field to your kitchen in perfect condition? The journey is a race against time and nature, as blueberries are delicate and easily bruised. Every step, from picking to packing, must be carefully managed to preserve their freshness and flavor. It's a massive operation, combining the hard work of farmers with cutting-edge technology. Teams of workers and machines move in harmony, harvesting millions of berries each day during peak season. The process is both an art and a science. Each berry is delicate, and freshness is everything. That's why every berry is handled with care, inspected for quality, and cooled quickly to lock in that just-picked taste. Even the slightest bruise can mean a berry won't make it to your table. The industry has had to get smart, really smart, to handle this scale. Automated systems now scan, sort, and package berries at lightning speed, using cameras and sensors to spot imperfections invisible to the human eye. It's not just about growing, it's about processing with speed and precision. Every second counts, and every machine is fine-tuned to keep berries moving from field to fridge as quickly as possible. So, how do we go from a field bursting with berries to those neat little punnets at the store? The journey is a marvel of logistics, involving refrigerated trucks, careful timing, and a network of distribution centers that span the continent. Over the next few scenes, we'll pull back the curtain on the blueberry megafactory. We'll see how technology, teamwork, and a passion for quality come together to deliver billions of berries to breakfast tables everywhere. We'll follow these blue travelers from bush to basket, revealing the innovation and engineering behind every bite. From the moment they're picked to the instant they're packed, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and nature's bounty. Ready to dive into the high-tech world of berry processing? Let's begin our journey into the billion-pound blueberry industry, where science, tradition, and a love for this little fruit come together in spectacular fashion. How do you pick 1 billion pounds of blueberries each year? It's a staggering number, and the answer reveals just how far farming technology has come. On small family farms, you might still see workers carefully picking berries by hand, one by one. But on the massive commercial farms that supply supermarkets around the world, hand-picking simply isn't practical. The scale is just too big, and the harvest window is short. That's where the mechanical harvester comes in, a towering high-tech machine designed to straddle entire rows of blueberry bushes, moving steadily down the field. Inside the harvester, a series of vibrating rods or soft, flexible fingers gently shake the branches. This motion is carefully calibrated to coax only the ripest berries to fall, leaving unripe fruit behind to mature. As the berries drop, they're caught by collection plates and conveyor belts, never touching the ground. This helps prevent bruising and keeps the fruit as fresh as possible for the next stage. Next, Powerful fans blast away leaves, twigs, and other debris, giving the berries a first round of cleaning right there in the field. It's an impressive bit of engineering that saves time and labor. The freshly picked and cleaned berries are then funneled into large bins at the back of the harvester, ready for transport. Once a bin is full, workers quickly swap it out for an empty one, and forklifts or tractors whisk the heavy loads away to waiting trucks. This keeps the harvest moving at a rapid pace. Thanks to these machines, vast fields can be harvested in just a few hours, a job that would take dozens of people days to complete by hand. Of course, the process isn't flawless. Some unripe or squashed berries inevitably make it into the bins, and a few leaves might slip through as well. That's where the next stage comes in, the high-tech processing plant, where the berries are sorted, cleaned, and prepared for market. In these state-of-the-art facilities, the real magic happens. Here, technology takes over once again to ensure only the best berries make it to your table. Let's see how it works. At the processing plant, bins of blueberries are tipped onto conveyor belts for their first big clean. The journey starts with a dry sifting. Berries are gently shaken so stems, leaves, and debris fall away. Damaged or unripe berries are also removed at this stage. Next, the berries get a thorough shower under purified water jets, sometimes with a mild sanitizer. After their rinse, they're air-dried to keep them fresh. Every step is gentle. Bruising is the enemy. By the end of this phase, the berries are clean and ready for the most advanced part of the factory. Now, it's time for the ultimate quality check. Enter the AI sorting machine. This is where things get futuristic. Let's see how technology decides which berries make the cut. The heart of the blueberry factory is the AI-powered optical sorter. Berries travel in single file along narrow lanes, each about to be photographed and judged in milliseconds. High-resolution cameras and lasers scan every berry from multiple angles, even checking firmness and sugar content. The AI, trained on millions of berry images, knows exactly what perfection looks like. It spots bruises, cracks, mold, or under- and overripe berries instantly. Imperfect berries are knocked off the line by a precise puff of air. Thousands of berries are sorted every minute, far faster than any human could manage. Only the best make it through. But what exactly is the AI looking for? The AI's inspection is incredibly detailed, far surpassing what the human eye can catch in a split second. Every berry is scanned and analyzed individually, with the system processing thousands of images per minute. This technology is transforming how we think about food quality. First, it checks color. Only berries with the perfect shade of blue pass. The AI can even distinguish subtle differences in hue, ensuring that underripe or overripe berries are filtered out. This level of precision means that only the most visually appealing berries continue down the line. Next, it measures size and shape, sorting out squashed or misshapen berries. The system uses advanced algorithms to detect even the slightest deformities, guaranteeing that only plump, round berries make it through. Misshapen or damaged berries are automatically diverted away. Some customers want jumbo berries, so the machine can even grade by size. Whether destined for a gourmet market or a smoothie pack, the AI tailors the selection to meet different preferences, sorting berries into multiple categories with incredible speed. Using infrared, the AI detects bruising and internal decay invisible to the naked eye. This technology allows the system to see beneath the skin of each berry, identifying hidden flaws that could affect taste or shelf life. It ensures only firm, healthy berries make the cut. Soft or overripe berries are quickly removed, so what ends up in your punnet is always fresh and delicious. The AI also spots foreign objects, stems, leaves, or even tiny bugs. Its sensors and cameras are trained to recognize anything that doesn't belong, no matter how small or well camouflaged. Anything that isn't a blueberry is instantly removed, often in a fraction of a second, using robotic arms or powerful air jets. This keeps the production line moving smoothly and efficiently. This multi-layered inspection guarantees safety and quality. Every step is designed to catch potential problems before they reach the consumer, reducing waste and increasing confidence in every batch. The result? Every punnet is packed with berries that look and taste their best. Shoppers can trust that what they're buying is consistently high quality, with no unpleasant surprises. It's a revolution in food safety and consistency, setting a new standard for the industry. AI-driven inspection is helping producers deliver better fruit, faster and more reliably than ever before. But before packaging, there's one last check, a final human inspection to catch anything the machines might have missed, ensuring absolute perfection. Let's see how humans and machines work together, combining the speed and accuracy of AI with the experience and intuition of skilled workers to deliver the best blueberries possible. After AI sorting, there's a final human inspection. Skilled workers scan the berries for anything the machines might have missed. It's the perfect partnership. Technology for speed, humans for common sense. Once approved, berries are funneled into automated machines that fill plastic punnets. Multi-head weighers ensure each container is precisely filled. The punnets are sealed and labeled with brand, weight, origin, and best before date. Some labels even let you trace your berries back to the farm and harvest day. With labels on, the berries are ready to leave the factory. But their journey isn't over yet. Some are headed for the fresh aisle, others for the freezer. Let's follow both paths, fresh or frozen. Here's how the Great Divide happens. After packing, blueberries face two fates, fresh or frozen. Fresh berries are packed into boxes, stacked on pallets, and moved to refrigerated rooms. They're quickly loaded onto chilled lorries and rushed to supermarket distribution centers. The goal: deliver them in peak condition, fast. But not all berries go fresh. Many are destined for the freezer. Frozen blueberries are popular for smoothies and baking, available year-round. These berries are diverted to a specialized freezing facility. Freezing locks in flavor, color, and nutrition for months. The process is just as high-tech as fresh packing. Berries are washed, sorted, and prepared for a deep freeze. This ensures we can enjoy blueberries long after harvest season ends. So, how do you freeze a blueberry perfectly? Freezing blueberries is all about speed and precision. After washing and sorting, berries enter a freezing tunnel for IQF, individual quick freezing. Blasts of icy air tumble the berries, freezing each one solid in minutes. This keeps them separate, no frozen clumps. Rapid freezing forms tiny ice crystals, preserving texture and flavor. After freezing, berries may go through a final sort, with lasers removing any discolored or damaged ones. They're weighed, packed into large bags or boxes, sealed and stored in Arctic cold warehouses. This process keeps berries perfect for months, ready for your morning smoothie. Whether fresh or frozen, technology ensures top quality. The journey is almost complete. Let's wrap up with the big picture. The blueberries' journey, from field to factory to your table, is a marvel of modern technology. Mechanical harvesters, AI scanners, and freezing tunnels all work together to deliver perfect berries. Technology ensures quality, reduces waste, and keeps berries safe and delicious. Even slightly imperfect berries find a use in juices or jams. Refrigerated lorries and quick freezing preserve freshness and nutrition. Every step is a dance between agriculture, engineering, and computer science. So, next time you eat a blueberry, remember its epic, high-tech adventure. It's a small berry with a big story. Thanks to innovation, we can enjoy blueberries anytime, anywhere. And that's a delicious ending.